Good morning, YouTube family. It is like 2 in the a.m. It is Sunday morning. Actually, I am up and I am giving you a little video that you have never seen me give it before. Face all look sour, all of that. I'm just in a little house dress and so on, you know. So what happened? I am actually be heading out to the country, so I am thinking that I'm going to be making dinner up there. So I'm not sure if it's going to be possible because the rains are so much. But good morning to you whenever you get to watch this little vlog. So I'm at home here. So I'll be prepping to take with me. So let me show you what I'm going to be doing. So actually I have some turkey neck here. I have 3 packs, but I think there may be 2 little. So I'm not sure if I can find any chicken or anything anywhere up there. I'm not sure. So or maybe we can get some callaloo along the road or stuff. So I'm gonna be cleaning up this turkey neck and seasoning it up. Asking my girl to find some peas, so this is what she found. So actually what I'm gonna do, because with the rains and stuff, and you know, me not really have everything legit like that up there with stove and stuff. I am gonna be washing this bean and getting it like half pressured, and so I'm gonna be carrying these tomatoes, carrots, and what are something the name, cabbage. I'm gonna make like a vegetable. Not sure about the juice, but right over here I'm clean off the stove at 2 a.m. in the morning and up, and I'm gonna be cleaning off the stove. So I'll catch you back when we start the real ball of rolling with the little prepping. So I have made some progress, family. The peas are so stove clean, but the grids are not clean because they can't be cleaned in the sink. I always put them in hot water and put them on the outside and clean them. Stove could have clean a better still, but you know it go. It's early. And listen, on the outside, I have rain coming down. So what I normally do is like, you celebrate them, just pour like some hot water, put it in a big container, or leave it in the sun with some hot water and vinegar, and then I do a little scrub. But basically, I try my best with underneath there, so make a cleaner, all of that. Now, I'm moving to the sink where it's my turkey neck. And you know I said turkey neck, I go use my vinegar, so I have my vinegar. Yeah, so it's me alone. I don't have the camera on the tripod, so I throw some vinegar. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in about a little, you know, to soak out, because you know how turkey neck go. So, then I don't bother. Clean off them round here now and get out them little pieces. See that little here. And then I'm gonna do a little more straightening up, season up, and then get it to pack. But listen, I have rain on the outside. So there's rain on the outside, and you want to buy my midnight, you want to get to it. I have to leash him at nights because him want to go across the fence. I guess it's mating season. He was making noise earlier in him house, so him now wet. So with that being said, I'm gonna leave the turkey neck for feel a pretty warm too, because I'm gonna have the fun and for soak off in the vinegar, and then when I clean it up, I have sour orange. I just go get the next sour orange rinse, because you know the turkey neck. I have to angle the camera and make you see when I season it up and all. Everybody's asleep. Yeah, for the next clip. So guys, I am like at the sink now. And you can see, I hope you can see, I just clean up. Yeah, so I want to take out the white stuff here. I have my, what's that thing, my skewer. Yeah, so I have my skewer. So basically this is a cleanings, see? Yeah, you have to always clean up them something I would really like turkey neck. But so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the skewer to get out all of this part here. And I have a video up in that I use, so I just kind of push it out. Sometimes it come up on the other side like this, sometimes it does not, so you have to just try get it out. So basically that is what I'm doing now, trying to get out these parts. Everybody is sound asleep, and I realize that my internet is out. So you see, I just push it out around here, so you see it, and it come right out. You see, come. I know, but I always take them out. You see it? Yeah, you try to get it out. So it's in the second water now, so I find sour orange and I squeeze it out. So it's basically now, is it clean and nice? Yeah, nice and clean and fresh. Yeah, so I leave it in the sour orange water, and then I'm going to drain it off in the colander, and then in the meantime, it in the water, I'm going to prep the seasoning. Alright, family? Yes, my peas over here, come on, good. Yep. I am going to give it a little pre-cooking in the pressure dough to make it easier when I go country. Alright, family, so I'm here. I think it's about 3:45, and I'm still alone in the kitchen, so I'm gonna go get the seasoning now. I always put pimento seed, but actually I can't plug in the grinder right now. It's gonna make that go, you know. So that's it. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Then I'm gonna go get my teeth. After my season, I'm gonna get my teeth clean and put on the peas. Might have a cup of tea and sit down and have a little early morning talk, I don't know. Then get everything, and not much though. By then I guess Dad will come out for pack up and sitting and so, and then I can go get a shower. Alright? Okay now family, so it is 4:11 now. I have some carrots so I cut up here, so remember 1 carrot and that. So this is a half season, I'm not fully there with this yet. I got me them tomatoes. I have 1 cucumber these. I carry these for vegetable. I have the celery. I take out some of the sticks. I might chop it like celery stick with my vegetable for flavor it up. Now I have these here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put the carrot them in a Ziploc. I already try them. Yeah, I try to make my work easier, you know, because you know the facility not there like at home here. So okay. I throw my carrot into this. And I'm wrapping my bell peppers. I hope so now I see, you know. Yeah, in some hand towel and then keep dry and fresh. Then putting it into this bag. So this is carrot and bell pepper. Yeah, I don't mind doing this. It's a little, but I don't mind. Just get out of the heat, and guess what? I'm gonna show you. I don't know if we have a head preach card. So I'm gonna look out some extra here out of this. Yeah. This now for another bag. So put the carrot in here. The cabbage is still in a bag by itself though. And I'm gonna get the tomatoes wrapped and put them in here. Alright, so in the next clip I'll show you where I am. Okay, so I tell Jerry so I need to get 3 pack of turkey neck. He didn't get 3 of the small pack. He didn't go to the supermarket, so I try to now that him should I get 6 of this. But I realize I have to go look some chicken to put with it. I know me give food a country and I care about food for my family. So I have in here, so I show you already. I have here some carrot, cucumber. This is for basically, it's a tomatoes. Basically make a, you know, chopped vegetable, kind of toss raw vegetable. Like. This is my carrot for put with my turkey neck and some bell pepper, as I show you. I have garlic. I know I have garlic up there. Let me see my carrot in here. So I have celery and I have thyme in the white hand towel, and I have my scallion. So I said I want some pimento seed now for throw it in something. Put in the turkey neck. And of course I have to get pepper up there. Country pepper. So basically that's where I am at. Everybody's still asleep. So that's it. That's number 1. This, so I have to get the chicken somewhere on the road. Hopefully I don't know if I can get some color, if it's some color, I don't know, but I will try. So basically that's how it is. Still no, me want my peas. You see my peas? I pressure my peas before me left here, so not looking bad, and it's a good amount. This can cook. So basically that's it. I'm gonna try get the pressure cooker now to start with the peas. Alright, so now I get the pressure cooker down. Yeah, my stove up. So I got this pressure cooker is really fast, family. So that's why no matter what anybody can tell me, so I don't love pressure cooker. So I put on my thing now. I have little salt and I have some garlic in there. I definitely want, this is something I definitely need to do. So I'm just gonna get it pressured. So in the next week you should me still get overall. I might find 2 pack of macaroni and cheese, you know, kind of pep up the dinner country, you know, and make them feel nice. Cause you know normally they don't get them something there like that a country. So drinks, them have sour orange up there and make here some sugar. I think that's good. So if I go sort out some rice, or maybe I get rice on the road and all like that. So in the next clip I'll show you right over here. But you know what, when camera girl away, she will take care of that. I have that thing if I finish, that ziplock if I wash. This to throw and something. And just rinse up them little something, basically that's it. And so in the next clip, fam.
Hi guys. So mom left back a couple hours ago, and I'm basically just going to do some cleaning up now because I woke up not too long and have class and stuff today. It's Sunday, so I'm going to do some just washing up with some plates in the sink, throw away some stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys that. Okay guys, so now I've finished cleaning up in the kitchen and everything, wipe off the tables, did the dishes, clean out the sink and everything like that, wipe off the stove and all of that stuff. So I'm going to head to class now because I have class very soon. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell us what you think about the videos down below, and we'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.